प्रिपेयर, यू जस्ट हैव टू सपोज, वो फ्रेंड्स के बीच में जो होता है ना बात, ऐसे ही कहीं कहीं से कहीं का भी बात हो जाता है, बस उसी तरह से आपको बात करनी है और कुछ नहीं। ऐसे बोलते हो ना साथ में कि देखो ऐसा कुछ वहां पर शादी हो रही थी, लेकिन दुल्हन जो थी वो तो सुंदर ही नहीं थी, जरा भी सुंदर नहीं थी, बहुत खराब लग रही थी। मेरे ख्याल से तो उस लड़के को उससे शादी करनी ही नहीं चाहिए थी। अपना ओपिनियन देते हो ना, बिकॉज द बॉय इज सो हैंडसम, कैसे वो ऐसी लड़की से कर सकता है? तो अपना ओपिनियन देते हो ना, बस ऐसे अपना ओपिनियन दे।
I I attend this type of wedding, so
यस,
I am laughing.
यस श्वेता।
I attend this type of wedding, so I am laughing.
Yes, right. The thing that you say that successful things doesn't occur in one day, right? So there is also, you
Yes,
can say one idiom that is, Rome was not built in a day. Okay, you can say it.
Rome.
Rome was not
Rome was
built
not
in a day.
built
It
in
means
a day.
we can't get success in a day. Okay,
In a
we
day,
have to
yes,
do
yes.
the hard work consistently. So Rome was not built in a day.
Consistently. Yes. So, our routine is the best predictor of our future. This is our topic. So, routine basically related with future. It is true because every small step we take in daily basis, it create a difference in your long term goal or long term
Here is
outcome.
here is an idiom, you can say it. It makes a world of difference. Okay, it makes a
A
world of difference.
world of difference. Okay,
Hmm.
it makes a world of difference.
Yeah.
So, many person think that a good future or a successful future depend on luck or talent, but successful future not only happen in one day. A person who actually work hard
One
in
thing
daily basis.
One thing I would like to tell you there is, because I would forget, the thing that you say that successful things doesn't occur in one day, right? So there is also, you
Yes,
can say one idiom that is, Rome was not built in a day. Okay, you can say it.
Rome.
Rome was not
Rome was
built
not
in a day.
built
It
in
means
a day.
we can't get success in a day. Okay,
In a
we
day,
have to
yes,
do
yes.
the hard work consistently. So Rome was not built in a day.
Consistently, yes. So our daily routine play a very crucial role to build a successful future. So the habits or the routine we follow every day is slowly they create a difference in a person.
Yeah.
Like in studies, if a student who have whole year, he can only think that in last week I will study and I will get high marks and or star marks, but it not happen. I can say he may just got pass 30 or 35 marks, but a person who study from January to November month and then he give the exam in December, so he actually done a very crucial uh, study daily basis, like 1 hour only he studied for a long whole year, and the person who study for just 1 week not match the knowledge and the uh, grip on the subject as the person studies little by little every day basis, so he can achieve more marks easily because he has a more knowledge and more time he spend on the subject.
Hmm.
So he will, I can say, get easily high marks 80 or above. And if a person wakes up on time in morning time on daily basis, so it also creates a, uh healthy lifestyle for him or her, because in morning time he may go for a walk which is good for his or her health. So doing this thing for daily basis, it creates a difference. He did not occur some health issues which related to
He
uh,
would not get,
laziness.
he would
He
not
would
get
not
any
get
health
uh,
issues.
any disease like blood sugar or diabetes because he has a routine to walk daily. So routine also create health benefits. So and time management. If a person know that routine, so he have a every time every work has a stipulated time. Like for his study, he has 2 to 3 hour. Then if he or she working, then he has a morning routine and working time. Then in night there is also some work he will do, and in following the routine creates self discipline. Means person know that if I woke up today at 7 o'clock, then next day I also wake up around 7 or something. So it also create discipline in her life or his life. And productivity, I can say productivity, because if a person has a routine, doing the same thing in regular basis creates a effective routine, and he will enhance his productivity in doing works, like in studies or working professional. He will excel his work or in his work or studies. uh, and I can say routine. Routine also affects uh, success. I can say directly proportional to a daily routine, because the thing which we do on a regular basis. I can say I take one example. If there is a book which has 26 chapter, so if a person only study one chapter a day, he will only took 26 days to complete it. And if a person read 5 chapter in a day, but for next 10 or 15 days he will not study anything. For then after 15 days he again read like 5 chapter. So next 15 days he will also not learning anything. So in a total month he only studied 10 chapters. But a person who study only one chapter in daily basis, before 1 month only 26 day he completed all the chapters and a complete book. So daily routine is powerful and create a huge difference in a person future.
Yeah, because consistency is here. If you are following a daily routine, so
Consistency,
consistency is here.
yes,
Yeah, and consistency
consistency
is
is
the
the
key to success.
key to success.
Yeah. Okay. Done? Or you want to add
Yes,
something? Okay, nice. Now, so now are you off for it? Are you ready? Say anybody, don't take it as a Mount Everest that you have to climb.
Okay, I start. I
Yeah,
don't
Ashwata, your
prepare it
voice is
so well.
so slow. Try to be a bit louder.
Hello.
Yeah.
I don't prepare it so well.
You don't have to prepare. You just have to suppose वो फ्रेंड्स के
Okay.
बीच में जो होता है ना बात, ऐसे ही कहीं कहीं से कहीं का भी बात हो जाता है, बस उसी तरह से आपको बात करनी है और कुछ नहीं। ऐसे बोलते हो ना साथ में कि देखो ऐसा कुछ वहां पर शादी हो रही थी, लेकिन दुल्हन जो थी वो तो सुंदर ही नहीं थी, जरा भी सुंदर नहीं थी, बहुत खराब लग रही थी। मेरे ख्याल से तो उस लड़के को उससे शादी करनी ही नहीं चाहिए थी। अपना ओपिनियन देते हो ना, बिकॉज द बॉय इज सो हैंडसम, कैसे वो ऐसी लड़की से कर सकता है? तो अपना ओपिनियन देते हो ना, बस ऐसे अपना ओपिनियन दे।
I I attend this type of wedding, so
यस।
I am laughing.
Yeah, Shweta?
I attend this type of wedding, so I am laughing.
Yes, okay. Because the thing is that girls should be all the time beautiful, no matter how the boys are looking. So this is the way. Okay? That's right. So you give your opinion with your friends without any reason. You just give your opinion. So that's just like the same way here you have to give your opinion. So please start.
The topic is our routine is the best predictor of our future. So, because of we know every as you say, every little step build a great great building, or every little works, no works build a big building. So small efforts we do every day to complete our daily routine, as we noted, or as we note in our to-do list, we achieve in today we achieve it. And it make our future more successful,
It
as an
makes
in
makes our
it makes
future.
our future uh, and it's not only for students, it is also for aspirants who wanted to achieve their exam good marks in their competitive exams,
Hmm.
and also a corporate worker who achieve their goal and company's goal
Yes,
to
absolutely. Hmm.
get a promotion
Hmm.
in our job. So
In their
every day
job.
we effort we in their job,
Hmm.
and every day we doing some efforts to make ourselves 1% better, day by day, better than our yesterday. So I think it's help us very much. We don't now we don't understand. I we all only follow the steps, and we decided, okay, follow it and go on. But when we achieve something we wanted to achieve, uh, then we realized it's our hard work we do every day, and we become 1% increase ourselves day
Hmm.
by day, then we achieve that goal we wanted to achieve. So I think daily routine is most important in everybody's life, because when we do something daily basis, we adapt it, and it's as our nature. When we do again and again, we adapt it like our regular habits. And uh, uh, from this we also complete we also uh, इसको कैसे बोलेंगे आशा, कि हम अपने मतलब किसी जिससे हम जो हम नहीं कर पाते उस पर भी हम कामयाब हो सकते हैं,
Okay.
जिस टाइप का।
Hmm. The things we are unable to do, so we can conquer. Conquer, कामयाब हो पाना, ठीक है? CONQUER. We can conquer that also.
We can't able to do something, we conquer
We
we are
can
able to
conquer.
conquer it. We can conquer it, and I think it's
You can simply
that's
say
from my side.
if we are unable to fulfill some targets, then also by
Okay.
following our proper routines, we can conquer the thing and the target.
We are not capable to complete our fulfill our targets. We uh, during this through this
Hmm.
uh, daily routine we conquer it.
Okay.
and we achieve our goals. Because sometimes in students, every student say it's a hard topic and it's like we can't do it, and we forgot it. But when we write or listen and learn it again and again, we uh, uh, it's unforgettable for us
Hmm.
to. And
Means we get
in
adapted.
in yes, we get adapt this habit, like our daily habits, like eating food and drinking water, like this. We adapt all things we do in daily basis.
Hmm.
So I think future is really daily routine is really predict our future.
Future. Hmm. Okay.